summarizing the 3 set of road safety driving. First is road traffic safety. Number 1, never drive in a vehicle when you are not licensed permitted to do so. Next, avoid excessive and appropriate speed when driving on our road. Passenger demand that drivers slow down and save your lives. 4, pedestrian must always stay alert whenever crossing or walking along the road. Avoid distracted walking. 5, those shall not drive through flooded rivers and bridges. 6, those shall always wear a safety belt. 7, those shall always ensure vehicle driver fitness before any journey. 8, every driver train in defensive driving. 9, drivers shall always take rest stop after every 2 hours of continuous driving. 10, always obey all road rules and regulations. Next, the 10 commandments of road safety. Those shall not exceed the speed limit. 2, those shall not drink and drive. 3, those shall wear your seat belt and make sure that everyone in their car is wearing their. 4, those shall take safety breaks every 2 hours and 200 km. 5, those shall not fail to signal. 6, those shall not be courteous toward fellow road user. 7, those shall not gaze at phone. 8, those shall favor on pedestrian and the cyclist. 9, those shall maintain a 2-second following distance. 10, those shall honor the traffic laws. Next is 10 commandments for a safer drivers. Number 1, give way to pedestrian crossing. 2, do not use gadget while driving. 3, remember to use turn signals. 4, no overtaking on solid double yellow line. 5, follow the speed limit. 6, do not hug a passing or overtaking lane. 7, stop at red light. 8, always keep your cool while driving. 9, do not park on no parking side of roads. 10, do not drink and drive.